हेलो गाइज। सो आज मुझे रिसीव हुई है शीनीड की यूटीआई रिलीफ ड्रिंक। इट इज़ अ प्लांट बेस्ड यूटीआई रिलीफ ड्रिंक विच आई रिसीव फ्रॉम Amazon. It was one of the highest ranked products, so I had to order it, and I'm going to review it and show if is the product actually worth it or not. So let's talk about what the product has. So it is basically a UTI relief drink that focuses on you flushing out the UTI from your body. It is packed with cranberry pack A in each serving, and it has around more than 16 plus vitamins and minerals with Ayurvedic herbs. Now the flavor is wild berry, and you can see it's a vegetarian product. Now the indications mention that it helps in cleaning out UTI bacteria, maintains the track pH, helps in restoring good bacteria, and also resists UTI bacteria from developing again. Now the product comes in 300 gram quantity, and let's check out the main ingredients in this. So the main ingredients here are, as you can see, it is vitamin C, B3, B6, B2, B1, folic acid, vitamin D. For the herbal, they have minerals as well. For the herbal ingredients, they have cranberry, turmeric, blueberry, sitavar, and blue grapes. So because of this, the product becomes plant-based. And they've also mentioned what each and every ingredient will be doing. So let's open and see if the product is worth using or not. So this is how the product comes, with a aluminium seal, because moisture should not enter the product or it becomes bitter in taste if it interacts with the product. So even if you open the product after usage, always close it with a tight lid. So when you use it the second time, the product doesn't give out different flavor. Let's open it in front of you. As you can see, the product looks authentic because there is no no way this is open from anywhere. So it has not been used. So open it. So this is how the product looks. You can see they have given a scoop as well, 10 gram scoop, and let's see the serving size. The serving size is 10 gram. They have given a 10 gram scoop. So we take a 10 gram serving spoon, level out, and then add it in the glass of water. You can see completely dissolves in around 5 seconds. I don't see a issue in quality here. There are no solid formations or no balls of powder that has been formed. It completely dissolves in 100 ml of water, and there are no foul smell yet. Plus, let's check the manufacturing date. It was manufactured in October 2021. So around 2 years it has been done, and the product is still proper. There is no side effects, no blackening, nothing. The product looks good. You can use it.